How to get NFL Sunday Ticket game schedule. To view the NFL Sunday Ticket game schedule, you can check it directly inside YouTube or YouTube TV app or visit the official Sunday Ticket section online. Start by opening YouTube or YouTube TV on your phone and make sure you're signed in with the same Google account that your NFL Sunday Ticket subscription is linked to. Once you're signed in, navigate to the sports section, specifically the NFL section, or use the search bar and type NFL Sunday Ticket. When your subscription is active, a dedicated tab will appear showing the full Sunday Ticket schedule. You can also view the complete NFL season schedule on the official NFL website. For that, open up any web browser and head over to NFL.com. But keep in mind that your subscription determines which game you can actually stream. Compare the full league schedule with your Sunday Ticket access to know exactly which games you'll be able to watch. Once you find a game you're interested in, you can easily add it to your device's calendar or Google Calendar to get reminders. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.